All right, people, Nick Roberts here, and today we're talking headlines. Especially if you're struggling to write headlines, I've got a 3-part formula to write killer headlines in seconds, no exaggeration. Let's get in. So the first thing I want to point out is headlines are the first words people see, whether it's your email subject line, title for your blog post, the hero section on your website, a hook for your ads. It's the first thing that people see, and people always look at a headline and they just think one thing: what's in it for me? How is this relevant? Is this, article, is this blog post, is this email going to solve a problem of mine? And people are really thinking, so fucking what? Why the fuck should I care? Why should I read this? Okay, so we really want to answer this with our headline, okay? Because otherwise people are going to bounce, they're not going to read. So this is where this 3-part headline formula comes into play, and it works like this. Number 1, we're going to call out your audience. Number 2, we're going to state their problem. And number 3, we're going to give a solution, okay? Let's see some concrete examples of this in action. So number 1, hey copywriters. Okay, copywriters is our audience. Number 2, hey copywriters struggling to get clients. And now we've stated their problem, okay? They're having a hard time landing clients. And then number 3, hey copywriters struggling to get clients. Here's 3 simple steps to land a paid gig within 24 hours, okay? And then we've brought in a solution. Okay, so you can see, again, our formula: hey copywriters, calling out our audience, struggling to get clients, stating their problem. Here's 3 simple steps to land a paid gig. Here's a solution for you. And then I've even given a time frame within 24 hours. Okay, audience, problem, solution. All right, and then we can tidy it up a little bit. Okay, and for this one, I've tidied it up, but it's the same principle. Getting no clients as a copywriter. Do this to land your first paid gig, okay? It can be really nice to ask a question, all right? So getting no clients as a copywriter. And then I've put do this. This is a curiosity builder, because people are thinking, do what? What should I do? What's this one thing? What's this that I should be doing? Okay, so that builds curiosity. And then again, I've brought in that solution. Here's a solution, land your first paid gig, but I'm not really saying what it is. You're gonna have to read on, okay? And you can see, so it says getting no clients. There's our problem. As a copywriter, that's our audience. Do this to land your first paid gig. I've got a solution for you, okay? Let's check out another example, different audience this time. Hey affiliate marketers. So shout out the audience, affiliate marketers. Number 2, hey affiliate marketers with no ad budget. So now we're stating the problem. A lot of affiliate marketers, a lot of people new to the game, they don't have money to spend on ads, all right? And so they may be struggling to get traffic because they can't run paid ads. So we've acknowledged, we've stated that problem. Number 3, hey affiliate marketers with no ad budget. Here's how to get free traffic to your affiliate links, okay? And there we brought in the solution, okay? You can get free traffic to your links, okay? So quick recap: audience, affiliate marketers, no ad budget, problem they're facing, solution, get free traffic, okay? And again, I've just tidied it up a little bit. Get instant traffic to your affiliate links, even if you have no money for ads, okay? I dropped in the word instant here because people love quick, easy, effortless. This is one of these sort of power words that you can drop into your copy, which sort of hook and appeal to people, okay? And let's have a look at this, because I've broken from the formula a little bit, audience, problem, solution. I've broken from it a little bit. However, all the elements are still in here if you dissect it. So let's just check it out. So I said, get instant traffic. So you can see I've actually dropped the solution at the beginning this time, okay, to your affiliate links. Now I've dropped in the word affiliate links. I haven't said affiliate marketers. I haven't called out my audience, but just by saying the word affiliate links, that's a call out in itself, because the people, the only people using affiliate links are affiliate marketers, okay? So these 2 words are call out in themselves to our audience. And then finally, even if you have no money for ads, I've dropped the problem in the at the end this time. No money for ads is our problem. It's at the end. So we've got solution, audience, problem this time. Solution, audience, problem, okay? So you can break from the rule and you can flip things around if you want to. Another slight tweak on this: get instant traffic to your affiliate links without spending a cent on ads. You see these formulas a lot. even if you have or without. You see these formulas a lot on many different sales pages. One last example, okay? So this time audience is hey course creators. Number 2, hey course creators struggling to launch your first course. That's the problem. These people, you know, they're not getting their course out there. They may be spending a long time making it. They haven't launched yet. Number 3, hey course creators struggling to launch your first course. This drip feed method helps you launch in just 24 hours. Okay, so again, course creators, audience, struggling to launch your first course, problem they're facing, and then drip feed method helps you launch. I have a solution for you, and I've even dropped in a time frame in just 24 hours. And that, again, this is sort of one of these sort of power words which really grabs people because it's quick, easy, effortless. At least it sounds that way. In just 24 hours, everyone wants to launch, you know, within 24 hours. So, and then I just tidied it up a little bit. How I launched my very first course in just 24 hours using this little known drip feed hack. Okay, so I've just tidied it up a little bit. And I realized earlier that I left something out of this one, okay? Which is I put how I launched my very first course. So that's a shout out to our audience, course creators. Like how I launched my very first course. Like, oh cool, I'm trying to launch a course. That's a shout out to me. In just 24 hours using this little known drip feed hack, I've got my solution in here. So the way I did it was this little known drip feed hack, but I've left out the problem. Okay, I haven't put the problem in here, and you don't necessarily need it. But what I decided to do is I just added a little thing to it. Whereas you see this a lot, these sort of sub headlines that sit above your headline. You see these on a lot of sales pages, and it goes like this: the problem. After months of inaction, here's how I launched my very first course in 24 hours using this little known drip feed hack. Okay, so I've got problem at the top, shout out to my audience, and then solution. Problem, shout out, solution. Okay, and that's it. So a quick recap of what we looked at today. Number 1, call out your audience. Number 2, state their problem. Number 3, give a solution. Okay, write out your headline like that, and then as I showed you, then you can tidy it up a bit, make it punchier, make it a bit more, not clickbait necessarily, but a bit more sort of you know, using those power words to sort of hook people and grab that curiosity. And you can see that you can bang out headlines really quickly using this little formula. Okay, so I hope that helps you. Go try it out in your copywriting, and I think it'll really speed things up for you. And also, it's going to answer that what's in it for me. So fucking what? Who the fuck cares? Why should I read your material anyway? Okay, it's really going to help dial that what's in it for me in. Okay, so yeah. Go give it a go. Let me know how it goes. Drop us a comment, and I hope it helps you out. Before I wrap up this video, I just want to point out I've got a Facebook group where you can bring all of your copywriting, whatever you're working on, you can drop it in the group. I'm going to have a look at it. I'm going to give you feedback, give you tips, and just some pointers. We also do live Q&A, so we can actually get on a live call with the group, you know, share ideas, share tips. Everyone's, you know, just piping in and giving their ideas and giving their thoughts. And it's completely free to join. So I'm going to leave a link for this Facebook group below this video. Go check it out. Love to see you in there. Love to hang out, help you with your copy, see what you're working on. And yeah, all right, I'll leave it at that. Hope you enjoyed this video today. Give us a like, give us a subscribe. Really appreciate it. And I'll catch you again real soon in the next video. All right, take care.